Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to make your own hot plate using a ZVS driver. So we currently have a double choke ZVS driver, but it's best for induction heating. And we got a ferrite core here. What I do is we just put the loop in the core, put some piece of metal that I guess is not really the core, close it up like that, put your PCB here, and I guess turn it on, and well, you got a hot plate, I guess. Initially, the circuit refused to work anyways. I decided to take apart the entire thing, so I'm going to start heating this up. I'm going to monitor the temperature while I'm at it, just to give you guys an insight on how quickly this can heat up. Oh my god, it is really hot now. Like 180. I think that should just be enough now. Oh yep, I can just take that off easily. Casually take everything off if I can. Yep, just take everything off. As long as it remains hot enough. It's just me slowly deconstructing. I'm gonna heat it up a bit more. Ooh, nice, that was smooth. Wow, that was smooth as well. Wow, that was simple as well. I guess to get rid of the rest, I'll just brush them off instead. I think that should be all of it now, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Holy crap, there's a nice crusty shit on it. How hot is it actually? I want to see. 200 degrees. And this sensor can only go to 260. So, yeah, this is extremely hot. Like, look at that.